How to subscribe to Runway ML. So I'm over here at the website runwayml.com. I'm at the homepage and I'm logged into the account. You can see on the left bottom corner your account name. Just click on that and you will have two options. You can click on upgrade your plan and you'll be here, or you could go to the same location but go to plans and billing. Click on that and then go to upgrade and you are in the same location. Click on monthly if you want to. Now you are on the free plan, which says current plan that you are using. If you want to upgrade, just click any of these. Let's say I'm gonna click on that one. And over here you need to fill out your card information in order to subscribe to the plan. It's gonna tell you the amount for month that you will need to pay. And once you do that, make sure you agree to the terms and then just click subscribe and you will be subscribed to Runway ML. I'm not gonna do that, but that's how you subscribe to Runway ML. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like and thank you for watching.